In primetime news this evening, changes approved for Paula Llewellyn to continue serving as DPP. Chaos in Gordon House Tuesday as members clash at committee and house sittings. And TVJ's Heat in Focus looks at how the entertainment sector is being impacted by the rising temperatures.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, what does the IMF have to say about the global economy, and will it be growing faster or slower than projected? That and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Spencer Darlington is also here. He has a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the JFF lodged an appeal against the red card shown to Khadija Bonny-Shaw at the World Cup. That appeal was not successful. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
What sports without the drama? Anyway, Romain is also here with a preview of what's coming, the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. We have been having some shower activity across sections of northeastern parishes as well as sections of western parishes, and we are expecting more showers and a few thunderstorms for tomorrow.
Thank you, Romain. And before the break, the feedback question. This evening we're asking,
what are your thoughts on the extension of the tenure of the Director of Public Prosecution?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.